It's a box. And guess what? You should try that.
That's better.
Really good. My back was really sore.
At least I'm not turning anymore.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Closer. That's a really
Big
cool
box.
box. What's that box about?
I wonder what's in it.
Look what it says.
Flashforge.
Maybe there's Flash.
We definitely have to open it now.
Yay! Shall we get the Flash out of the box?
Yes, good idea.
Unleash the Flash. Great idea. So shall we unpack it? Yes. I have some tools for us. You wouldn't believe this handsome tool. Do you want to try?
Okay, let's see.
I would go around the edges. Careful, doctor. There we go.
Beep.
Nice. Beep. Patient is still alive. Good.
Okay.
Then we should do the other side. Okay, let me join you. This is so exciting. You know, it arrived. It must have taken a long time to get here, but
Where did it come from, by the way?
well, the flesh might tell us. Ooh. Okay.
Very easy to open the box.
Right.
No flash.
No hog either. But it says something about 3D printing.
Is it the toaster we ordered?
That would be so cool.
It looks quite big for a toaster, but let's see.
Maybe that's a roll. A roll.
A roll.
Okay.
Springs. We have springs.
We have springs. We have
Screws.
lots of them. This is really cool. In fact, that looks like a staff. What else have we got here? Ooh, tools. Yay! Let's open this one up. That will be so amazing. That's a bit of an underwhelming tool. Can't wait. Can't wait to get to that one. Right. Okay. Moving on. Do you want to unpack that? I have scissors for you.
Oh, really?
Because
this is going to be fun.
This tool is much more exciting
Than the underwhelming alien.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I would cut,
But I want to hear it pop.
I know you're trying to use it like a.
No, see? No,
but
it's
I think. Oh.
See,
I didn't know that. So if it's like vacuum sealed,
you break the vacuum and then it's much easier to open it.
you see, I learned something today. Almost after don't know how many years. Anyway, yay.
Okay, let's see.
It's a roll of plastic thread.
Oh wait, it says that it is a PLA filament.
Oh, wait a second. I heard about those. And that's supposed to be the good filament, okay? You should recycle this, and it's apparently not bad to the environment at all. But that was a series I saw on Netflix, so I'm not too sure about me. Might need to get further onto that.
Okay.
Okay, moving on. We have, I guess, something written in other languages like Chinese, of course. Which would be, I would imagine, some form of warranty card. Anyway, which just says exactly that. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, lift it up.
Okay.
Whoop, ding. Yay! Eggshell. Ooh. Okay, so this is a bit of a challenge.
Definitely not the toaster we ordered. And not flash either.
Okay, so I have an idea.
Okay.
I've been going to the gym lately. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So I will lift it up and you remove the box.
Okay.
Nice one. So now we have taken the box out of the box. And that reminds me, on another Netflix movie.
The Russian doll one.
Yeah, you watched it as well.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So
Great.
now we got that straight.
I've always been the bad influence. Hand me the scissor.
There you go. It's all yours. Ooh. Are you ready? Are you sure?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I'll help you. I'm a friend. Right, that's the other box. that's the definitely the more exciting box about the 3D printing stuff. So I'll again do my heavy lifting here. This looks actually really nice.
This is so cool.
It's like a microwave slash fast oven slash
incubator. It looks like an incubator.
Incubator. Yeah, there's like a lot of stuff going on. So I'll take this off because I would imagine that
I think this one starts here if you want to try.
You always get the better end of it.
Maybe that one also has an end.
Okay. Woo! Again, good teamwork. Yay. Why is always like unpacking so much fun? Like ridiculous fun. And you know the best fun is when you can go like this. That's my throwing skills. As you can see, I did not make it.
You do not. They do not teach you that at gym, do they? Did you get the second one?
Yeah, I did. Teamwork. Nice.
Oh wait, this is a door.
It's a door. Yay!
I thought it was.
We got the door right. Okay, are you ready for the last one?
Yes.
I stand. You totally would make the 80. And we go.
Not yet. This one is stuck underneath there. Come on.
Can I help you? Okay. I shall remove this awesome plastic bag out of this door. So we can close the incubator.
There we go.
Okay, there it is. The flesh without the flesh. Right. So I'll remove these egg stuff related.
It must be a toaster if it has eggs in it. Oh, this is really stuck.
Hard boil them. You can also like soft boil them. Oh, you know what we forgot? Scissors. You need scissors. You need to cut.
Ding.
Thank you. What can we cut? We probably need to cut this thing because we like.
What are we cutting?
Just know. So we should let something loose, like this. So obviously don't use scissors for the middle section because that won't work. And it says here, keep this area clear. So that's what we're going to do. Ooh, great. And we're ready with the 3D printer Flashforge Adventurer3. I like it. It's much more sexier than a toaster. Can we plug it in?
So with our 3D printer, we got these screws and springs. I don't think we're going to need that yet.
Yes.
We got your underwhelming tools, which consist of a screwdriver, an Allen key.
Wait, what's that? That looks like
cream.
Or a Vaseline. I know, I've seen Vaselines before and I use them in many ways.
More than one.
But I think that this specific Vaseline...
A white grease.
Ooh, white grease. Mm-hmm. So it must go for these little things in the back, of course, as grease Vaselines go. So that's the big string things for that in the back.
Okay.
We leave that aside. Okay, moving on, sorry.
Our filaments.
Yes.
I don't think we need this gel baggie.
Okay, filaments. Let's use this hole right here. Are you ready? Because that's going to be the magic for this one. So, I would imagine take this out.
That looks a bit big.
Question is, should we do it this way or this way? Very good point. An arrow is right here, so I'll do it this way. Going into there. Into the arrow. Okay, we need power. Because I would imagine that this will take it if we have electricity. Can I have the honor switching it on?
Yes.
Very awesome.
Okay, are you ready? Three,
One. Oh,
two.
backwards, okay. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing.
There's a light.
Is there a light? Yay! Okay, awesome. So you see, we're getting there.
Okay, let's see.
What does it say? Adventurer3, if you know, Flashforge 3D printer.
Adventurer hat or
I
something.
know. So would you like to read out loud and point out to what it says on the screen?
Sure. So we have a build option, tools option, and a filament option. So I'm thinking before we can build, we probably need the filament.
Very good point. Do you want to touch on that icon?
Is it touchscreen?
Ooh.
It is. So I'm thinking you have a load option and a change. So we don't have any filament in the printer yet, so we should load.
Let's load one. Okay.
Wait. It's heating the extruder.
Oh, of course. And it's going really fast. So it's almost like at 70%. Now it's going to 80, 90. Yo. It's getting red, which means that it's probably
Almost
getting
done.
very ready. So
Did you even see that this thing was going up? Is that
No,
the
I didn't even
extruder?
look. Must be with the which apparently it's called nozzle there underneath. That was in the manual that I was reading whole last 2 weeks at night with the candle. So that's definitely a nozzle,
Okay.
and we need to get this filament into this little section here.
Okay.
What does it say?
Preheat completed. Begin loading. So please load.
It's be my honor to load this baby for the first time. Will you take it? Ooh, I can feel something. It's definitely taking the food. And I think what it's actually doing, it's heating it up, right? So it's heating the filament. Ooh, it's actually really, really cool. It's like, you can see the little wheels taking the filament up into there. Through here. Through this little section. That's going to take a bit of time.
Oh, this tube section.
Yes, this tube section. And then it goes right into the extruder. And we will be ready to go printing. And I think that we should open this so that we can see what's happening here. Press OK when new color appears. There's no appearing color yet. Okay. Do you see anything red coming through? Ah, I can see it right here.
Ah, it's slowly coming.
It's coming, but it's coming. So I'm going to close this section because I would imagine that this should be closed. It's actually really simple if you think about it. Hey?
It is. It's really not that hard to start.
That's it. I mean, I don't know why guys always think that machine need man. I think that this should be totally only for women. It's like talks to you, it gives you clear instructions, women like to follow instructions.
It doesn't talk back to you or say no to you.
Exactly. Doesn't go for a beer out.
It doesn't ask you to bring them food.
I like that part. So you see,
It's really
totally
close.
intuitive.
It's about here now.
It's really intuitive.
Speaking of which, what's happening for lunch?
We made some very good. So now, did you know that actually there are different types of 3D printers?
No.
No, me neither.
Wait. Do you only get the filament in red though?
Good question. So, no. You get many colors.
Okay.
My favorite one is the one that you can mix actually all the colors together.
You can do that with a 3D printer.
Yes, it's called a rainbow color, and you can get them all mixed, and then you can have for your kids. You can actually have all interesting colors coming out at once. So this is actually just the
That'd
red
be
one.
good.
Hey, it's almost home. It's almost getting home. So this is the red one, which obviously comes in the packaging, but I would imagine you can have white, black, kind of easy colors. Now, once this is heating up, we don't know what we're going to print. Did you think about that? We've got it all sorted, but maybe there will be some test.
Yeah,
Files.
there should be a test file somewhere, I
Let's look
think.
at it afterwards. But I can see something. kind of.
Why is it blue? It was red.
It was blue and now it's red. So it says press OK when new color appears. Do you see the new color already?
Okay, yeah, so the blue
Green.
is turning red now.
Okay, nice one. So can I press OK?
Yes, press OK.
Okay, I'm going back. And shall we build something?
Or maybe just
I'll
take
take
that
this
one off. Okay, let's see what happens if we press build. Maybe we have some test files to test it out. Well, seeing as there are no test files on the printer itself to test out, I think maybe we should go with one of our Toyz concepts.
I like that idea. Shall we do the animal farm?
Yes, what about the fox?
Excellent idea. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. There we go. Let's go to Toyz, Animal Farm, and let's find our fox. Is it going to be a foxy red fox? There we go. It's going to take us 2 hours. Must be a big fox.
2 hours, 10 minutes. And it even tells you how many meters of filament that it will be using. So this one will take 8.48 meters of red filament.
Do you think it's really expensive to put this on and operating for 2 hours?
I don't think so, because I think the only thing that is actually heating up is the extruder or nozzle.
So that should be like probably putting a radio on. So we will have radio playing for 2 hours. Let's press build. I give you the honor to do that.
Okay. Ding!
Woohoo! Copying file into the machine and off we go. And what's happening in the... Ooh.
Oh, that is so cool.
It's moving in its position. Getting ready. It's like getting into space, it feels like it. And it's obviously heating up. It must be heating up to the 200 odd degrees. And then we have a print. So we can in the meantime, we can make some lunch.
Work on your cooking skills.
Will you teach me something?
I can teach you how to make salad.
Oh, it's going to be very exciting. Because we have 2 hours and 10 minutes to do something else while this is making a fox.
Maybe trying to fetch kids from school.
Go to the gym. That's a good idea.
Cooking class.
Okay.
And we're off.
Boom skiddy bees, boom boom skiddy bees, bees boom boom skiddy bees, boom skiddy bees, boom skiddy bees, boom boom skiddy bees.